Alright friends, today we are going to see how we can center our div inside a page. Basically we are going to learn three methods to center our div inside a page, and they are equally responsive with the decrease in the width of the device. So we are going to achieve this with the help of HTML and CSS. So here in the index.html, here I have used meta tag in the head tag for making it responsive, then title to my document, and then linking my css file to my document, that is style.css. Here in the body section I have written there are total three methods to center a div. First method is margin, second method is position absolute, and third method is display flag. So we are going with the margin. So I have written the margin start here, and let's comment it down. I have also provided the source code of this tutorial in the description. Please check it out if you do not. Here in the div I have created a class container and written my content. So here after saving it, let's on the right click, let's preview with the live server, or you can press Alt L or Alt O. So it will take some time, and then after it, here as you can see my content. So back to this, here in this body I have written all the basic. Now here I have to copy this thing. In the body I have written margin, padding, font family and font size, that is normal. And here I have in the container I have put in the background white, and margin is 200 pixel. Auto means left and right are both equal. When we decrease the width of the height, or you can say viewport height, then it automatically adjusts itself. So here I am written flat UI colors. So this is the website for choosing the best color for your web page. Here I have pasted this color. As you can see, now we are going to style this thing container to our desired product. So here I am giving the width will be 200 pixel. After it I am giving height 200 pixel again, so that it will be a square. As you know, the length and breadth of the square are same, so I am creating a square. So let's increase it to the 300 because I want little bit more. Here after that I want text align to be center, so that the text we have written is floating at the left. So we want that thing to be at the center, and font weight means how bold it is. So I have written 600. Text transform is capitalize each word, word is capitalized. Here after line height will be as same as the height. So here I have copied this thing and paste it here. After saving it, as you can see, boom, 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 baby. So the content of my container has been at the center. So this is the trick of the first one, because the one line code was margin 200 pixel auto. This will create your container at the center. And so we are going to use the position absolute. So we are going to create another container here. After pressing it, and I am writing any dummy paragraph, I have written like subscribe. So please subscribe, do subscribe this channel if you do find this video somewhat helpful to you. So with the live server, here is the result. Now we are going to style this thing. First of all, we have to comment this down, because this was the margin. Here we will write the css of the position. So I have written the position absolute, top will be 50%, and left will be 50%. At the last of this video I will tell the difference, what is the main difference between the margin, position absolute and display flex. So then only you can use this thing at the particular case. As you can see, our content has been at the center. Now I want this thing like the same as the above one was the margin one. So here I have written the width 300 pixel, height 300 pixel, then giving a background, a beautiful background which is white, which is going to be white. Now I think that we should double it, but none of us are so smart, so put has ff, then again as ff. So it is the hex code for white. Here after it, text align is center, text transform is capitalize each word. Then the only thing that is remaining is line height. So giving a line height, please do like this, share video, and please subscribe to my channel. Here as you can see, this thing has been at the center. So our position absolute code has been completed. Let's commit it down. Here commit it. After it, we are going to use the display flex property. So I will tell the thing that display flags is mostly used to create a responsive div inside a container. So it is basically you can say hard and fast tool to create this thing at the center. Here I have written first I have created a container 01 which will add the parent, and the container 02 which will act as a child. Here I have written the content, like and share this video. This is the simplest form to use this property. Here as you can see the preview, here like and share. Now with the help of position relative and display flags, we are going to align this thing at the center of the page. So here I have pasted the thing, and here I am giving the position relative. Position relative, it means that it is taking actual width, actual size from the main body. Here I have written 100 width is 100 percentile, height is 100 vh, and the display is flags. So I have mistaken, I have flags, sorry. So after it, align item is center, justify content is also center. So after this, as you can see, our content is at the center. Now we are going to style yes, we are going to style this container 02 where which store the like and share. So please do like and share this video. And after in this, I am giving the width will be 300 pixel, and all this tab as above we have done in this video. So width is 300 pixel, height is 300 pixel, background is beautiful white which is hex code of white is ff, and text line is center, which means the text which is floating to the left will be aligned at the center. Text transpose is capitalized each word, and line height will be 300 pixel because of that of the height. So as you can see the preview, and they are equally responsive. As now I am telling the difference that if we use the display flags, then it is commonly used to create the things responsive, not to create the div at the center. So we can use it, but in some condition, but it do not allow you to put this thing at the center. So don't use this because it is not the standard practice to put this thing at the center. Here second thing was position absolute. So as you can see, if you are creating an effect related to the position relative, then this is most important, because during transition pseudo classes, if you are using pseudo classes for your transition, then position absolute is used to center the content, or you can say the thing that you have created, because in the after and pseudo class you have to use the position absolute according to the position relative given to the parent. Here margin is the correct way to center a div, because it have no problem or no issue related to anything, because it is equally responsive. When you have created this thing with the help of margin, then please do inspect and comment it down what are the results. Thanks for watching this video, and please do like and share this video, and share to your pet, share to your friends.